Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we're going to solve the rational expression. So we have 3 times x minus 3 over, so the factor of x squared minus 9 is we have x squared. So the square root of x squared, so we have x. So put the x, and square root of 9 we have 3. So x, then put the copy negative, then positive 3, then find the common, so cancel out, so remain 3 over x plus 3. So this is the final answer, 3 over x plus 3. So next we have number 2. The factor of 4x minus 4 is we have 4 times x minus 1 over the factor of x squared minus 1. We have, so the same process, we have x, put the x, then copy 1 plus and negative. So find the common, cancel out, so remain 4 over x plus 1. So next, number 3, we have, so find the factor of the x squared minus 9. So we have x minus